Hello, hello, and welcome back to Language Broker English Lessons. Today, in Lesson 10.2, we will learn 50 more adverbs. Remember, adverbs describe other adverbs, adjectives, and verbs. They tell us how, when, where, how often, and how much. In this lesson, we will learn, memorize, and practice 50 new adverbs. In the last lesson, we learned that many adverbs are adjectives that end with the letters ly. That's not always the case, and you will learn adverbs that do not end with the letters ly. But today, we will continue learning 50 new adverbs that end with the letters ly. Let's begin. Honestly, honestly. Immediately, immediately. Jerry went home immediately. Jerry went home immediately. Instantly, instantly. Intelligently, intelligently. Intensely, intensely. Kindly, kindly. Lively, lively. Loudly, loudly. Luckily, luckily. Luckily, I had enough money. Luckily, I had enough money. Magically, magically. Naturally, naturally. Nervously, nervously. Nicely, nicely. Normally, normally. She normally eats pizza for lunch. She normally eats pizza for lunch. You can also say, normally she eats pizza for lunch. Normally she eats pizza for lunch. Obediently, obediently. Occasionally, occasionally. Oddly, oddly. Passionately, passionately. Patiently, patiently. Amy did not wait patiently. Amy did not wait patiently. Perfectly, perfectly. Persistently, persistently. politely, politely, poorly, poorly, proudly, proudly, quickly, quickly. Oliver quickly ran to school. Oliver quickly ran to school. Quietly, quietly. The patient girl sat quietly. The patient girl sat quietly. Randomly, randomly. Rapidly, rapidly. Rarely, rarely. Really, really. Regularly, regularly. Respectfully, respectfully. Sadly, sadly. He sadly waved goodbye. He sadly waved goodbye. Secretly, secretly. Shortly, shortly. Simply, simply. Slowly, slowly. She walked away slowly. She walked away slowly. You can also say, she slowly walked away. She slowly walked away. Softly, softly. Strongly, strongly. Suddenly, suddenly. Thankfully, thankfully. Tremendously, tremendously. Truly, truly. Alan truly loves Amy. Alan truly loves Amy. Unfortunately, unfortunately. Urgently, urgently. Usually, usually. Weekly, weekly. I post English lessons weekly. I post English lessons weekly. Willingly, willingly, wisely, wisely, wrongly, wrongly. Okay, great job, great job. You just learned 50 new adverbs that you can add to your English vocabulary, but you need to practice, practice, practice. That is all for today. Please click like, click subscribe, go to the next lesson. Thank you for watching as always. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.